Barley grass is a nutrient-dense superfood that has been revered for its medicinal and health benefits for centuries. It is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes that work synergistically to provide numerous health benefits. Here's how barley grass works its magic. Nutrition profile. Barley grass is an excellent source of essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, E, and K, minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium, amino acids, including all 8 essential amino acids, antioxidants, such as superoxide dismutase, SOD, and catalase, enzymes like amylase, lipase, and protease. Health benefits. The unique combination of nutrients in barley grass provides numerous health benefits, including 1. Antioxidant activity. Barley grass contains a rich blend of antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. 2. Inflammation reduction. The antioxidants and enzymes in barley grass have potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis, asthma, and allergies. 3. Digestive health. Barley grass contains enzymes that support digestive health, reducing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, bloating, and gas. 4. Immune system support. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in barley grass help boost the immune system, reducing the risk of illnesses like the common cold and flu. 5. Detoxification. Barley grass has been shown to support the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to remove toxins and heavy metals from the body. 6. Anti-aging. The antioxidants and enzymes in barley grass can help reduce the visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. 7. Cardiovascular health. Barley grass has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the formation of blood clots. How to consume barley grass. Barley grass can be consumed in various forms, including 1. Juice. Freshly juiced barley grass is a popular way to consume this superfood. 2. Powder. Barley grass powder can be added to smoothies, juices, or other recipes. 3. Capsules. Barley grass capsules provide a convenient way to get a concentrated dose of this superfood. 4. Tablets. Barley grass tablets are another option for those who prefer a more traditional supplement form. Precautions. While barley grass is generally considered safe, there are some precautions to be aware of. 1. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to barley grass, so it's essential to start with a small dose and monitor for any adverse reactions. 2. Interactions. Barley grass may interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before adding it to your supplement routine. 3. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. There is limited research on the safety of barley grass during pregnancy and breastfeeding, so it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before using it. In conclusion, barley grass is a nutrient-dense superfood that offers numerous health benefits. Its unique combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes makes it an excellent addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle. However, it's essential to be aware of the potential precautions and interactions before adding barley grass to your supplement routine. This is LC. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.